Okay, guys. First, I'm navigating to File menu, New, and I'm clicking on Other. File New Other. Okay. After that, I navigated to here. Under Maven, I'm selecting Maven Project. Under Maven, I'm selecting Maven Project. Click on Next. Okay. And after that, okay, after selecting Maven Project, just I'm clicking on Next. So I navigated to here. So let me keep this snapshot. Just click on Next. After clicking on next, the next point is you have to select option org.apache.maven. So you have to type org.apache.maven and you have to select option as quick start. Org Apache Maven quick start. Okay, let me select that one. This one. So org.apache.maven you have to type and you have to select quick start. Okay, let me take the snapshot here. Type org.apache.maven and click on Maven quick start. After that, I'm clicking on next. 1 second. So here you have to select a checkbox also. Okay, make sure you selected checkbox also. Okay, let me select the snap checkbox as well. And click on next. Okay. And here I have to give project name as Selenium 405. You can give whatever name you want. So I'm giving project name as Selenium 405 and artifact ID also you have to give same name. Okay. So that's it. Group ID and artifact ID is nothing but your project name. Okay. So just click on finish. See here 77%, 99%, 100%. In some of the systems in the Eclipse console section, the system will be prompted. Okay. The system will be prompted to press Y letter. Okay, so you have to select, you have to make sure you have to enter the letter as Y. So in the console section, the system will be prompted to enter Y. So you must have to enter Y so that only the Selenium 405 project can be created. See here. So Selenium 4, in my case, the system has not prompted anything. Okay, but in the console section, in some of the laptops, it will be prompted as to press Y letter. So that after pressing Y letter, press enter key so that only the project can be created. This is the important step you have to remember. Okay, in some of the laptops, in the console section, it will ask you to enter letter as Y. Okay, after pressing Y, just press enter key so that this folder can be created. Okay. So let me tell you one more time to create one more new project. So file menu, new, other. Under Maven, I'm selecting Maven project. I click on next and give org.apache.maven and quick start this one and select the include snapshot of archetypes and click on next. And here I am giving Selenium 406 and artifact ID is Selenium 406 and click on finish. See here in my case Selenium 406 it's got created directly. But in some of the systems in the console section, so here wherever my mouse pointer, so the system will ask you to enter letter as Y. Just press Y. After completion of 33%, the system will prompt you to press Y. So you can press Y and press enter key so that only this project folder can be created in your Eclipse. Okay, so like that we can create the Maven project. So once you create the Maven project, the next step is you have to just double click on the pom.xml. Okay, just a double click on the pom.xml and so there is a dependency management. Just observe this line number 19 to 29. So this is the dependency management. I'm going to explain about these things. So if you go for yesterday project Selenium 44, so yesterday project I am opening. So in the pom.xml, Selenium 44, the project which I shared yesterday. So just double click on that pom.xml and you can see the dependencies. See here there is a dependencies. So you can select from here. So I'm selecting all the dependencies. So the dependencies tag was completed here. So it was, so dependency section, it was big. So from here to here, I'm copying all the dependencies, Control C. I'm going back to my project. Okay, delete all this dependency management here and paste that dependencies in this project. And I'm saving. Okay, and I'm clicking on saving. So if you see, one second guys. Okay, if you see the Maven dependencies, one second. So I have added, so I updated all these dependencies in the current project. Right now you can able to see only few of the jar files. Okay, one second, 406. I'm checking 406 guys, Selenium 406. So there is a Maven dependencies. One second. Something is wrong here. So delete all the dependency management and dependencies. So you can delete everything, dependency management and dependencies. You can delete each and everything. See here dependency management and all the dependencies, you can delete it and go to the Selenium 44 project and select all the dependencies. These are all the dependencies. Control C and come back to here and paste it here. Control V and I'm saving here. So after updating my pom.xml in Selenium 406 pom.xml, go and verify the Maven dependencies. So these all are the jar files. These are nothing but your project supporting libraries. See, Selenium Chrome driver, Selenium Chromium driver. So all the Selenium supporting libraries and all the supporting jar files. These are the libraries are available in your project folder. So if these project supporting libraries are not available in your Maven dependencies, your Selenium programs cannot be executed. So Maven dependencies are nothing but project supporting libraries, Selenium supporting libraries. Without these libraries, you cannot able to execute any of the Selenium program. Now you can go and create your own packages. Under SRC test Java, you can create your own package day 001 and you can write your test-ng programs and everything. Okay, day 001 and you can, and under day 001 you can create a test-ng class and you can write the programs like this. So like this you have to create the project part. Okay, and in Selenium 44 yesterday we have done some labs, right? Go to SRC test Java and in John 30 folder, where is that? day 001 Jan 30 folder. Okay, this is the one. Okay, one second. So this is the programs. So let me copy this program, copy it and paste it under src test Java, and I'm pasting here. So that package. So on this package, just I right clicked. Okay, I right clicked and copy, and I'm going back to my project here. Under src test Java, I right clicked and pasted. That's it. So I can able to get the programs from another project to here. So just you can double click, okay, and run the programs. That's it. So is there any dependencies missed? So let me check the pom.xml. So let me add, if there is some dependencies not properly copied, it will give some issues. Again, I'm copying all the dependencies. Control C, going back to my pom.xml. So let me delete all the dependencies and paste it again. Okay. Is giving java.time.duration. Something supporting library is missed here. So let me check what is the library. Okay. Okay, let me tell you one more important thing. So we updated all the Maven dependencies. So after this, you need to make sure one more important point. One more important point is you have to right click on this project folder. Okay, you have to right click on this project folder, go to Maven and go to build path and go to configure build path. Okay, go to build path and click on configure build path. Under libraries, okay, you have to make sure JRE means Java supporting libraries. Select this Java supporting libraries and click on edit and ensure Java 1.8 and click on finish, apply and close. Okay, so like this, after if you navigate to this program now, you cannot, so all the issues will be resolved. See now java.time.duration. So that error it has gone out. So previously we have only Maven dependencies, but we don't have JRE system library. JRE system library means without Java supporting libraries, your Selenium programs cannot be executed. Means to execute your Selenium programs, there are two important things are required. One is Maven dependencies and another one is JRE system libraries. Okay. So these are the two things you have to do. Okay. So let me tell you in another project, Selenium 405. So let me double click on the Selenium 405 on the pom.xml. Remove all the dependency management and the dependencies. I removed everything. Okay, right now Maven dependencies, there are only few are there in 405. So now I'm going back to my Selenium 44 folder and click on the pom.xml and copy all the dependencies. Okay. Copy all the dependencies. Okay, Control C and pasting here. Okay, and I save. After updating my 405 and I clicked on save, so all the Maven dependencies got added. So in my project folder right now, I can able to see only Maven dependencies. but I could not able to see JRE system libraries. So I want to add that JRE system library. For that, this is the final step you have to do. So just right click, go to build path, click on configure build path. Okay. Under source project, under libraries tab, select this JRE system library and click on edit and select Java 1.8 and click on finish, apply and close. So that JRE system library got added and Maven dependencies got added and you can able to run your Selenium programs now. Okay, let me delete this default package, whatever it has been created. So now let me go to my previous SRC test Java. Okay, Selenium 406. Just now we copied this package. Under SRC test Java, this is the package. Just I'm doing right click and I'm copying. And I'm going back to my Selenium SRC test Java here and I'm doing right click and pasting. So now let's expand this program. Now you can able to see. So there is no errors. You can run the programs. Just right click, run as test engine. Where is that? Run as test engine test. So that like that your programs can be executed. Okay. Hope everyone understood how to create Maven project. Okay. Let me share this document right away. Okay. Okay. I will share you. Okay. Guys, 1 second. Let me do the pause. So I cannot go and create the same project, Selenium 406. I cannot create with the same, ensure every time while creating a new Maven project, give some different name. Okay. If you are creating the same project, the system will prompt it. The Maven project is already exist. Okay. So charger would then. And okay, now we understood. So now what I am doing is I am taking copy. I'm right clicking on this project 406 and I'm taking copy. So in my desktop, I'm just doing right click and paste. So you can just I'm doing copy and paste. Just a minute. Copy. The entire project I got selected and I'm doing paste. One second, guys. My system is not responding. So just I'm doing paste. The same project I copied here. Okay. So this is the project folder. Yesterday I had, you have extracted Selenium 44 project. So suppose if I'm trying to import the same project in my Eclipse, I cannot able to import this project. So what I am doing is I'm just renaming this project. 405 is already there, 406 already there. So just I'm renaming this project folder. Selenium 407. And going back to this folder, there is a pom.xml. Just right click and open with the notepad. So there is a group ID 407. Group ID is 407 and artifact ID is Selenium 407 and project name 407. These are the three changes: group ID, artifact ID, and project name. These are the three changes I did, and I'm saving my pom.xml and closing this. Okay. Now I would like to import this pom.xml, okay, in my project. So previously I told you how to create 405 and 406 new Maven projects. Now I am going, somebody has given this folder, Selenium 407. Somebody has given this folder. Now I want to get this project folder in my Eclipse. Okay. So let me tell you the same thing yesterday we did Selenium 44, how we have imported from downloads folder. So now I am going to import Selenium 407 project folder. So go to file menu, click on import. Now you can able to see under Maven, select existing Maven projects, click on next and browse the folder. Under desktop, this is the Selenium 407 folder. So pom.xml, it's got selected, click on finish. That's it, guys. Selenium 407 project got imported here. Okay. So whenever you are importing any of the project folder, make sure this folder is there in some D drive or somewhere. In your desktop, sometimes you can remove this folder or sometimes. So better you can keep project folders in some D drive or C drive so that it will be maintained. So that project folder, it won't give any issues in later. Okay. So like that we have imported. So in today's class, the summary of today's class is what we understood is how to create a new Maven project. Okay. How to create a new Maven project and how to import some existing Maven project into Eclipse. Okay. So generally, if you join in any of the organization, you won't get a chance to create a new Maven project because the source code and everything is already developed. So the maximum thing is what you will do is file import and Maven and existing Maven project. So this is the option you are clicking next and you are browsing that project folder and you are getting the project folder here. So this is the activity one. Sometimes you have to develop a project from scratch, from beginning onwards. In that cases, in a project, there is no automation at all. And you are the only point of contact. So in that case, you have to know how to create a Maven project creation part. Okay. So that's the summary of today's class. So do one thing, create Maven projects and copy the entire project folder in your desktop and change the project folder name some 408 or 409 and do the changes in the pom.xml. And again, you can import that project in your Eclipse. So do all these exercises so that you can come to know how to create the Maven projects. Okay, so this is the basic things, guys. This is very, very important today's class. Anyway, this video recording I will upload in next 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today's class. And tomorrow I will try to start the session early by 8:30. Why I'm giving gap is you have to do the basic programming and labs perfectly. So you can do the exercises like create jobs, create jobs and create skills and create the Maven project. Complete all this exercise before attending tomorrow's class. In the beginning, you have to do more practice so that you will get confidence, guys. So just I'm taking half an hour session only for today. And tomorrow I will take 1 hour session. So before attending, watch all my videos which was posted in the group. And this video recording, it can be uploaded in next 5 minutes. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Sir, one doubt.
1 second.